Setting up equipment in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to add every tank, line, and filler to a facility with the right type and capacity, and mark which ones need a CIP cycle. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Settings, Equipment from your dashboard. This is your equipment list. Every tank, packaging line, keg filler, and CIP skid you use to make and move product. Everything here ties to a facility, so start by selecting the facility at the top. Click Add Equipment, then choose the type: fermenter, bright tank, packaging line, keg filler, or CIP skid. Give it a name or number that matches what's physically labeled on the floor. That consistency matters when your team is picking equipment during production. Enter its capacity in the right unit for that type: barrels for a tank, cases or kegs per hour for a line. If it needs a CIP cycle before reuse, mark it CIP required so I can track its clean status. Save and repeat for each piece at this facility. Once it's entered, it becomes selectable when you schedule batches, packaging runs, or transfers. So get this list complete before production starts.